Hey, it's our locksmith here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up this Jeep. This one here, we're actually going to just use the strap tool. So I'm just using our airbag. I'm going to use the one-handed wedge. Probably one of my favorite tools. I'm going to put the bag in. And all I need to do is just get it open enough. You don't need to over crank it. And we'll go and slide her in. Let's see if she goes in. And if she doesn't, go ahead and give it just a little bit of pressure. Myself, I don't like to sit there and crank hard on the doors. And if I was doing this on a different vehicle besides this one, I do know the owner of this vehicle. We're doing some work to it. I prefer to go to the passenger side if I've got to do this method or a long reach, but easy, just like that. In an earlier video I showed you how to make these, and I've actually will make videos of other tools to make to unlock it. But as you can see, we've got it open, so we're good. Hey, thanks again for watching Slidng Locksmith, and if the wind was too much, I do apologize. Let's stay safe out there.